This is going to be box number 16. So Triple Threads, box number 16, 12, 8, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody in that break. Good luck to you all. Here we go. Alicia just missed out on it. That'll happen. But you never know what's in this box. So there we go, guys. There's the roster for box number 16. Let me go ahead, dip down here. And that's the advantages of doing the cases with myself here on the site. Not very many sites, 4620, are going to be, going to be able to give you guys full cases all the time and just make sure that you guys get the best hits possible. That's the second booklet that we've hit out of this case. Monsters. So, man. All right, here we go. This is box number 16. Good luck, guys. First card, D'Angelo Williams, 23 out of 50. Going to the Panthers, Brian S. Matty Hasselback, 267, 310. Going to Brian. Then Justin C's got this 981, 989, Matt Schaub. MJD, 659, 989. And we got Ryan Fitzpatrick, 873. Yep, 873, 989. And then Santana Moss, 20 out of 36. Jersey there for the Skins. So Jason S., there you go, buddy. And for the Rammers, Raj, Brian Quick. And that's going to be 85 out of 99. Right down there in the corner. All right, next mini box. Just checking for monster hits now. All right, Ahmad Bradshaw, 3 out of 25 for the Giants, so Mark L. Freddie Jackson, 81, 170 to the Bills, Diane. Sammy Bradford, 621, 989. Andy Dalton, 737, 989. Going to Alicia. And Malcolm Floyd, 934, 989. To the Chargers, Jason. And Ryan Broyles. And that's 4 out of 99. Yep. Going to the Lions, that's Kerry W. And then Jason S. Here you go, buddy. A.J. Jenkins. And that is 30 out of 99. So, guys, that's box 16. Let me go ahead and save that video.